Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Squarespace subscription or domain renewal? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To cancel a Squarespace subscription or disabling a domain's auto renewal, all you need to do is log into your Squarespace account at the account.squarespace.com. Then in the home menu, click on settings, then click billing and account, then click on subscriptions, then select the specific subscription you want to manage. Then to stop future charges without immediate cancellation, switch the renew automatically toggle to off, and then to cancel immediately scroll down and click cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts, provide a reason, and confirm the cancellation. Annual website subscriptions may be eligible for a full refund if cancelled within the first 14 days of the initial purchase. I hope this video made everything clear to you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.